If you're trying to aim to that bullseye on the backside of the log, you go below it. You'd have to actually lower this more than you think to hit your mark. Pretty close, that's an inch.
Oh, sweet.
The Ecological Restoration Bachelor of Science program at BCIT is the first of its kind in Canada. We take the theoretical and the applied training, we put them together, and students go out and look to restore ecosystems that have been degraded. When we come out to the field to do applied learning, there's just a gamut of activities that we do. Anything from water quality monitoring, soil, invasive species, revegetation. Another thing that's very unique to our program is large woody debris cabling and drilling. So when we do a fish restoration project, we mimic nature by adding logs and wood, and then our students get the training on how to ballast and anchor that so that the logs and rocks stay in place for decades and provide ongoing and continual habitat for freshwater fish species.
I chose BCIT because the emphasis is on fieldwork, and the class sizes are very small, very personable. There's only like 30 people in a class. You can build a really good rapport with the instructors. It has a very good reputation with employers in the Lower Mainland as well.
We have very tight ties with industry, and this provides us with the opportunity for our students to be involved in these projects that are actually happening versus just talking about it or showing a video in a classroom.
BCIT has the reputation it does for a reason. Like, it really is good about preparing professionals for the working environment. It gets you set up with connections, and you're learning from people in the industry who one day you could be working for.